Hi team, Mike, Old Fellas Travels, still imprisoned in the suburbs, going a little bit stir crazy, I've got to tell you. Still driving around the my local ride, which is a little Corolla, which really won't go anywhere much. Can't drag the camper, really can't get away doing anything really. So 7th of December the accident happened. We're now the 10th of January and still no date of when the car is going to be finished, and at this stage it's only having the mechanical work done because there's a fair bit of damage underneath. BP51 shocker replacement. I think they're checking the diff for make sure the casing isn't bent or damaged. New back plate, new disc, new wheel bearing, and I'm not quite sure what else. They're just the items I know that have to be repaired. So a fair bit of damage, and then comes the panel damage repair after that, which I'm suspecting is probably going to be at least another 2 or 3 weeks. Have the assessment done, maybe a couple of weeks get it in, and hopefully it doesn't roll the way it's rolled for the mechanical repairs. Yeah, so just a quick update, let you know that I'm still about. I haven't fallen off the perch yet, but I haven't really had much chance to get any content done, but I will this week. I'm going to knock out a little bit of content, just a couple of reviews on a couple of items that I've had for a while and I haven't reviewed yet. But apart from that, not much else apart from the video of me walking barns in the park. And that's about all we do these days. Trapped in suburbia. It's not a good place to be. I'm going to tell you. I'm going to lose my marbles soon. It's either going to be back bush or a mental assignment. One or the other. Alright guys, that's just a quick update of where we're going. Hopefully I'll be back online with a bit of travel and a bit of prospecting and a bit of fishing, whatever I got planned for this year. Cover a few bases, and I'm actually thinking about buying a boat to take with me this year when I go away on a bit of a holiday. So we'll see how we go. Hopefully I'm back on channel soon with some real content. Don't leave me guys. I'll come right shortly and all will be good in the world again. And be back out in the bush where an old fella should be. See you guys. Stay subscribed. Don't forget to like if you like any of the videos. And keep an eye out for notifications, because the real old fella travels will be back online again soon. No doubt. See ya.